Right in the middle of the shot is a red bird. Cardinal. Been looking around a couple of minutes while my dogs are out here playing, making noise. Hopefully you can see it. One of my family members is visiting me. My parents, my little sister. See it? Here it is. My husband's parents, well, two brothers have passed. Or it could be my other dogs passed away. But even so, maybe they're all in one. Okay, let's see. Here's the dogs. There they are, playing around. Alright, they come to me. Mrs. Jackson and Gracie. I know I haven't filmed for a while, but here they are. It's August the 2nd. 2 more months will be 1 year old. And they're going to stay the same height, size, length. Consider them full grown. Nice. And of course I got no grass because the doggies play around a lot, but that's fine. They get their baths. The red bird is still just hanging around. See it? See the tail? I can't tell you. Right there if I can see. Sorry, missing. Just looking at the puppies. Well, y'all have the rest of the night. Enjoy.